Okay, so we want to carry out titration. We have the retorc stand, we have our burettes, then we have our methyl range, we have our beaker, this one containing A, we have our acid inside it, we have our B, we have our base, we have our pipettes, we have our dropper, and we have our funnel. Put the funnel here. In the burette we are going to put our acid, and we are going to use the pipette to measure the volume of base, and we are using methyl range as an indicator.
Okay, what's the next thing?
You add a methyl range.
Okay. Right, start your titration. Come on,
Success.
and that's it. It's not for the fun. I said anybody. Also be careful. The best opening the tap small so that you'll be able to get the egg.
Today I want to give it how about you small?
Mom, glory be to God. Finally.
So you are doing like that.
Which type?
This one I do like that too. Shake
it very well. Try it.
change